Hi friends, today we're going to learn and write 10 birds name. Let's begin. Number 1, P A R R O T, parrot. Parrot means tota. Number 2, S P A R R O W, sparrow. Sparrow means goraiya. Number 3, P I G A O N, pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Number 4, C R O W, crow. Crow means koa. Number 5, P E A C O C K, peacock. Peacock means more. Number 6, E A G L E, eagle. Eagle means Garud. Number 7, O W L, owl. Owl means ullu. Number 8, S W A N, swan. Swan means hans. Number 9, H A N, hen. Hen means murgi. Number 10, D U C K, duck. Duck means battak. Thanks for watching. If you learned this video, then subscribe for more videos. Thank you.